Hey guys, we are currently in Tokyo, Japan. We have got a lot of candy with us right here. All of this candy right here. It's a lot. I'm so excited. I love candy. Yeah, we're gonna try it because I feel like the candy here is better. I don't even know where to start.
Ew, we're starting with that one?
We're starting with this one. It's the Tom and Jerry cheese jelly.
If it smells like cheese, I'm not eating it.
Yes, we are. Okay.
No, I'm not. Nope, not eating it.
Yes, we are.
Nope.
How about we split it like this?
How about you try it and let me know if I should try it?
Okay, let's take a bite together.
I don't know about this
Please,
It
please.
sounds so gross.
Let's take a bite together like this. It tastes like lemon, kind of.
Why does it smell gross? But
It smells really gross, but it tastes more like lemon.
yeah, that's lemon flavored or something.
So the next one is
Strawberry chocolates. I
these
think.
strawberry chocolates. I've seen a lot of people get these, so I feel like they're good. It's not focusing, but they kind of look like little mushrooms.
That's good.
Yeah. So we have this 40 centimeter thing. I don't know if it's like a fruit roll up or if it's more candy-ish type thing. I don't know, we're gonna see. I think it's grape flavored because it has like grapes on it.
I think grapes are a big thing here.
Ooh, it looks more candy-like. Or is it gum?
What if it's gum?
When we try to swallow it. But I don't think they do gum here.
Yeah, that's true.
This is the texture, if you can tell.
Laffy Taffy?
Oh yeah, it could be Laffy Taffy. It smells good.
Tastes like grapes.
Yeah.
Tastes like a different texture.
I think it's like taffy. Because see, it's like...
Stretchy.
I like it. It's good. You like it?
Yeah, I like it. It's not my absolute favorite, the ones we tried, but I like it. It's good.
I like all the grape and lychee flavored stuff.
Jelly soda or
Yeah,
jelly water.
This is like
jelly water.
a jelly water type thing.
I think it's grape flavored.
Yeah, and apparently you have to like shake it like this. Maybe you shake it.
And then you just drink it.
Yeah, you're supposed to like be able to squeeze it up. Hopefully we do it. We can do it.
Ooh.
Oh dear.
That's not good.
Okay, let's try to slurp it. I don't know if we did that right. Cool.
I feel like I need a napkin.
Mmm.
It tastes good.
Yeah, it's like Jello.
Like the marble soda, gummy candy.
Wait,
Okay.
this one? It does.
They look like the little bottles.
Oh,
Much harder.
it's really chewy.
Yeah.
It's good for your jaws. Your jawline. It's really minty.
Tastes like the soda. I like it. Same thing, but cola
up.
flavored.
Little cola bottle. It smells good. Definitely a lot chewier.
And
And it's good though.
Gummy Juicy Rush. Whoa, these look cool.
These look really cool and they smell amazing. I feel like I'm gonna really like these. They look just like little berries. I love the texture of them. They have like juice in the center of them.
They taste just like grapes.
Next are these tiramisu matcha almond. I love chocolate covered almonds. They're individually wrapped. That's what they look like. Smell good.
Wow, bitter.
They're really bitter.
The outside is. The inside's good.
Yeah, the outside's like bitter, but then once you like keep chewing it, it gets really sweet. It's good.
I think the outside is just unsweetened matcha, like straight up
It's
powder.
just like the powder on the outside, but then the inside's chocolate.
Yeah.
It's kind of fun.
These are the same, but strawberry. They're good.
Yep. Trolley bananas.
They remind me of banana Laffy Taffies.
Yeah, it's good. I might need to get more of these.
Lemon Honey Pooh Bear Gummies. Winnie the Pooh. Oh, those are cute.
Those are so cute. Look at it. It literally smells like honey.
Probably tastes like honey. I like them.
Me too. Next we have these pure grape candies.
Little hearts.
And they're sour candies.
really sour.
They're sour, but they're good.
These are koalas. Like, I'm assuming similar to gummy bears. They look like gummy bears, but they're little koalas.
They're good.
Yeah, they are. Could not tell those are sugar-free.
Yeah, I like those actually. Next are these straws. Little straws. They smell good.
It's like licorice.
I like these.
This reminds me of the red vines I ate on the way here.
I think it's a lychee gummy candy. It's like a candy that has like filling in the center.
Those are yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Probably my favorite.
Really?
Maybe.
I like them too. The lychee flavor is so vibrant, but it's also kind of minty. I don't know. I think it's the filling that makes it so alive.
Yeah.
The flavor. I like them.
I've never seen them. I love Fanta.
I haven't seen those either.
And they have Mentos,
Those sound
Fanta
really
flavored.
good. Yeah.
So. Yummy.
Mm-hmm. They're definitely very orangey, and it's good.
Lint matcha.
We went to the lint store, and it was like 3 or 4 stories high. They had really unique flavors. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
The next flavor that was unique that we got was pistachio. This one is like a milk chocolate one. That one's really good.
Candied strawberries. I'm not sure what to expect on these. Like if it's actually like freeze-dried strawberries in these,
It
or
looks like it's
like
supposed to be freeze-dried strawberries. They have white chocolate, milk chocolate, and matcha chocolate.
I'll try the matcha.
I'm gonna try the white chocolate one.
So they're like a full-blown strawberry.
Yeah, it reminds me of True Fruit.
Oh yeah. It tastes kind of like True Fruit.
Yeah.
Just a full-blown strawberry.
Yeah. I kind of prefer when it's like more of a slice.
I agree. These are a strawberry candy. I think they're a gummy. I'm really excited for these. I like
Gummies.
Yeah. Individually wrapped.
Hard to open.
Yeah. Kind of remind me of Starburst as far as the shape and the look. Something, I don't know if you can see that.
Looks like a little jelly or something.
Yeah. Very hard.
What?
Do you like them?
Yeah, I do.
Those are yummy. Those are chewy.
Yeah, they are kind of like Starburst, but I like them better than Starburst.
Got the Super Mario gummies from Haribo.
Haribo. I don't know. That brand's popular in the US, but I've never seen Super Mario Bros. So.
Me neither. Oh, they're themed after like, there's like the turtle shells, the coins, the mushroom, like this toad.
I like these type of gummies where it's like the gummy on the top and then the sponge on the bottom.
Yeah, that's good.
I like it. I like the texture of them. So next is this matcha chocolate. It looks really good.
Ooh.
It's like so fancy. Some of these remind me of those chocolates you get at Olive Garden.
Oh yeah, the little Andes mints.
It's good.
It is.
It's like an Andes mint, but instead of the mint, it's matcha.
Yeah, I like that.
These sour straws, and yeah, they look good. It's good.
That's banana.
I've never had a banana sour straw. That's really good.
I have to remember where I got this from. I don't know where I got it from.
Next are these matcha biscuit cookies.
Oh, that's...
It's tiny.
I like that though. They're tiny little cookies. That's yummy. The biscuit reminds me of like Christmas for some reason, and then the matcha is just like good.
Then we have these matcha latte hard candies. That's good. It tastes milky and matcha-y. It reminds me of the cappuccino mints that you can get in the US, but it's matcha-y.
Matcha chocolate Kit Kat. It's like half matcha, half chocolate. That's really good. I've had a matcha hot chocolate before. That's what it reminds me of.
Next are chocolate covered pistachios.
You can just get those at the gas station here, which I think is neat, because I feel like that's not a common chocolate covered nut to find in America.
Yeah,
like
it's hard.
Anywhere.
It's dark chocolate.
Yeah.
I was expecting milk chocolate.
Yeah,
for some reason.
after the Lent especially, that's like,
Yeah.
it's good though.
Yeah, it is.
Got another type of strawberry chocolates.
They have little strawberry filling in them. Mmm.
That's good.
Highschool. I love Highschool. Trying the lychee flavor. Mmm. It's so good.
Oh, if I choose. Also have milk tea Kit Kats. They look a little more milky than tea. Very white. Whoa, you can really taste the tea though. It tastes like, literally like warm breakfast tea, but with like milk in it. And then strawberry Kit Kats. I think Kit Kats are like a really big deal here because they have like a ton of different flavors. Like I had to decide to narrow it down to like the ones I got. The strawberry is really good. It has a great mix of like real strawberry taste, but then like the milkiness of a Kit Kat. So I don't know, that one was probably my favorite. I don't know if it's because I had a bunch of other matcha things, so it was hard to stick out for the matcha one, but strawberry was really good.
That concludes our candy tasting video. All of these candies were really good. I really love the gummy candies, like the lychee flavored ones or the grape flavored ones. They're really good.
Yeah, those were definitely a highlight. I loved all the candies. I honestly would recommend every single one. If you were in Japan and you can buy any of these, all of them are like unique too. Like nothing tastes very similar to them in the US in my opinion.
Yeah, definitely try the candy in Japan. It's so good. Thanks for watching. Hope you had fun.
Yeah, thank y'all. Bye.
Bye.